Hello, everyone. This is Steve Afasi from Elite Business Insurance. I'm here to talk to you about Bobtail insurance companies and who is out there offering Bobtail insurance, what it is, and why exactly you need it. So at Elite Business Insurance, we're a full-service independent agency, and you're most likely going to have to go through an independent agency in order to provide you with coverages for Bobtail insurance. A lot of commercial auto carriers do not want to cover the risk of Bobtail. Now, what Bobtail is when you are driving your vehicle and you are not performing work. So you're driving your tractor without the trailer, and you're using it for personal use to get from point A to point B. You're driving it, you're not performing work for yourself, you're not performing work for any company that you're leasing your vehicle to. So a lot of times these truckers, they can't afford to have their own business, their own filings for authority, their own insurance. So a lot of times what they'll do to save money is they will lease their truck to a company who already has the contracts, who already has the insurance. And what they'll do is they'll cover your vehicle while you're performing work for them. So they'll cover the liability portion. If you get into an accident and you injure somebody, you damage some property while you're performing work for them, you're going to be covered on their policy as long as it's in your lease agreement, which it should be. If something happens to your truck, it catches on fire, somebody steals it, somebody vandalizes it, that can also be covered on their policy if they choose to give you the physical damage coverage. So when you're not performing work for the company that you're leasing your vehicle to, you're going to need something called Bobtail insurance, which means if your vehicle is not hooked up to a trailer, if you are not performing work with it, if you're driving it for your own use, you need to have liability coverage for that vehicle and possibly even physical damage for that vehicle. So if you're driving your own personal use, you get into an accident, you injure somebody. If you're not performing work for your company that you're leasing the vehicle to, their insurance isn't going to pay out for it. So you're going to need additional insurance called Bobtail coverage to protect you for driving the vehicle for your own personal use. Now, there's very limited companies out there who are willing to offer the Bobtail insurance, but Elite Business Insurance being an independent agency, we have hundreds of markets in the state of Florida alone, thousands of markets throughout the United States that write all lines of commercial insurance. So depending on what kind of business you have, depending on where you're located, how far you're going to be traveling, you're going to have limited options, and Elite Business Insurance will be able to provide you with all of those options. So we write all lines of insurance. We offer 24/7 customer service. We work as hard as possible to make sure that we're always providing you with the best coverages for the absolute best prices. And because we write all lines of insurance, we don't only have to write your Bobtail, we can write your commercial auto if you need it, your commercial property, your home, your auto, your personal auto, general liability insurance, equipment, bonds, anything you need regarding insurance. We could help you out. We could give you the answers. We could give you as many options as possible, and we could most likely give you the best price out there. Also, every year upon renewal, we work our butts off to make sure we shop you around again and again to always make sure you're paying the most competitive rate out there. So if you want a good agency to handle your needs, if you want a thorough understanding of all of your insurance coverages, and you want to be able to trust an agent, you just call us and you tell us what you need, and you know that we're doing the right thing for you, then Elite Business Insurance is the place to go to. Let Elite Business Insurance be your one-stop insurance shop. 1-800-850-8819, Elite Business Insurance. We are elite.